Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the video quality while watching movies or series in Tubi TV. Go to tubitv.com and click on any movie or series of your choice. Play the movie and you can go to the full screen. Now go to the settings and you can see that there are options of video quality. You can select one of these to enhance the video quality and it will enhance according to the selective video quality. You can see that the quality of the video has been increased from before. So you can simply go to Tubi TV and click on any movie and then play it. Now go to settings and select the video quality according to your internet speed and compatibility. Now to enhance it more, you can see the HD button on the top right hand corner of your browser. You can go ahead and click on Turn on Enhancement and then your video will be more enhanced. This way you will have the highest quality of videos played in Tubi TV. So this was a video on how you can enhance the video quality and change the video quality in Tubi TV. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure to enjoy.